Hello everyone, today I'm excited to share my experience with two innovative products from KZ Acoustics, the KZ AN01 and the KZ Zenith. These were sent to me for review, and I'll be diving into their features, performance, and my personal insights. But first, let's start with the unboxing. I'm really excited to check these out and see what KZ Acoustics has packed inside. Let's get right into it. First up, we have the KZ Zenith. The packaging has a clean and minimal design with a matte black finish. Alright, let's tear off the plastic wrap. Always a satisfying moment. Now, sliding off the outer sleeve, and we're left with this textured black box. It has a slight roughness to it, not too harsh, but enough to feel premium in the hands. I really like how KZ went with this design. It makes the unboxing experience feel more high-end. Lifting the lid, and here it is. The KZ Zenith IEM sitting right on top, neatly placed in this foam cutout. They have a metallic finish that immediately stands out. First impressions, it looks and feels premium, with this sleek, almost industrial design. The metal shell has a nice weight to it, which gives a sense of durability. Now let's check out what else we get in the box. Underneath the IEMs, we have the accessories neatly packed in separate compartments. Inside, we also get a blue leather textured pouch, which feels very premium in hand. It has a soft yet durable feel, perfect for keeping the IEMs protected while on the go. After unzipping the pouch, we first see a plastic wrapper, which I think contains the cable. And right below that, we have a pin, a nice little addition that adds a stylish touch. Now let's tear open the plastic wrapper. And here it is. The detachable, silver-plated cable. It feels high quality with a nice braided design that not only enhances durability but also adds to the overall aesthetics. And here's a closer look at the KZ Zenith. The build feels really solid. The aluminum alloy shell not only gives it a premium feel, but also adds durability. It has a matte metallic finish, which looks sleek and helps resist fingerprints. I also love the subtle branding and fine details on the faceplate. The curves and design elements give it a modern, high-end look. You can tell KZ put real thought into the craftsmanship here. It feels lightweight yet sturdy, making it comfortable for long listening sessions. We also get multiple ear tips in different sizes to ensure a snug and comfortable fit. This is always great because having the right fit really makes a difference in sound isolation and comfort. Now moving on to the KZ AN01, which is the wireless earhook adapter. This basically converts your wired IEMs into high-fidelity Bluetooth earphones. Super convenient. Let's tear the plastic and open the box. Inside, we're greeted with a clean-looking case that has a sleek and minimal design. It feels well built, adding to the premium unboxing experience. Opening the case, we have the two earhook adapters placed neatly on top. They feel lightweight yet sturdy, which is great for long listening sessions. The earhook design looks comfortable, and I like that they included physical buttons for controls. The design looks ergonomic, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit when worn. Overall, everything is well organized and gives off a high-quality first impression. Underneath, we have the user manual. Pretty straightforward packaging, but everything you need is here. That's the unboxing. Now, let's set these up and see how they perform in real-world use. First up, the KZ Zenith. This in-ear monitor, IEM, is designed for audiophiles who demand high-resolution sound with deep bass and crystal-clear details. It features a full-range, ultra-linear dynamic driver with an increased voice coil diameter, improving acoustic conversion and delivering a wide, immersive soundstage. This results in richer details, deeper lows, and an overall more dynamic listening experience. Its premium all-metal body not only ensures long-term durability, but also helps reduce unwanted resonances, keeping the sound clear and distortion-free. The high-purity silver-plated detachable cable further enhances conductivity, reducing signal loss and maintaining audio clarity. A standout feature is the 4-gear tuning switch, allowing users to fine-tune their sound signature. Whether you prefer a bass-heavy experience, a bright and detailed treble, or a well-balanced full-range sound. This customization makes the KZ Zenith versatile for different music genres and personal listening preferences. Next up, the KZ AN01, a wireless earhook adapter that transforms any wired IEM into a high-fidelity wireless earphone. With Bluetooth 5.4, it delivers a stable, low-latency connection, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and calls. It also supports LDAC high-definition audio decoding, ensuring lossless, wired-like sound quality over a wireless connection. To enhance the experience, it features active noise cancellation (ANC), powered by advanced DSP processing and 4 noise-canceling microphones, effectively reducing external noise for an immersive listening session. The KZ AN01 also includes multiple modes. Gaming mode provides ultra-low latency, keeping audio perfectly in sync with visuals. Transparency mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings without removing your IEMs. Great for outdoor use. It also supports multi-point connectivity, so you can seamlessly switch between devices. And with its long battery life, you get hours of uninterrupted listening without frequent recharges. Let's take a look at the features of the KZ AN01. ANC blocks out noise, while transparency mode keeps you aware of your surroundings. With LDAC and Bluetooth 5.4, you get lossless sound and a stable connection. The 40-hour battery life ensures extended playback, and its IPX4 rating makes it sweat-resistant. Low-latency game mode keeps audio in sync, and multi-point connectivity lets you switch between devices effortlessly. I've been using the KZ Zenith paired with the AN01 adapter for the past 4 days, and the experience has been remarkable. The hi-fi sound quality is exceptional. The Zenith delivers robust bass, natural mid-range tones, and pristine treble, creating an immersive listening experience that closely simulates a live performance. The AN01's LDAC support ensures that this high-fidelity sound is maintained wirelessly, providing the freedom to move without compromising on audio quality. The active noise cancellation feature of the AN01 is particularly impressive. Whether commuting or working in a noisy environment, the ANC effectively filters out background noise, allowing for an undisturbed listening experience. The transparency mode is also a thoughtful addition, enabling awareness of surroundings without removing the earphones, ideal for outdoor activities. In terms of strengths, the combination of the KZ Zenith and AN01 offers exceptional sound quality, versatile customization options with the tuning switch, and effective noise cancellation. The build quality of both products is commendable, with premium materials ensuring durability. On the downside, the earhook design of the AN01, while comfortable for extended use, may take some time to get used to for new users. Additionally, while the ANC is effective, it may not completely eliminate all background noise in extremely noisy environments. Overall, the KZ Zenith and AN01 adapter together provide a high-quality, customizable, and convenient audio experience. Whether you're an audiophile seeking hi-fi sound on the go, or someone looking to upgrade your wired earphones to wireless without compromising on quality, this combination is worth considering. For more information and purchasing options, Check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comment section. Happy listening.